Hey guys, so we just got this bird cage type of thing, and I'm gonna be showing you what I'm gonna be doing to it is talking about the things that um we're gonna be doing to it and stuff. And I thought it was really cool because it is. So let's just get into it. So first thing we're going to do is get the bird food, which is from my fridge, and it's this bird food. Alrighty, so I'm gonna set you peeps up. I'm gonna put this out of the way. Put this in there. Alright, that's not gonna work. So let's try a different. Perfect. Now we're going to take the food intake. Here's the first bag. We're just gonna take this bag. I'm gonna get this measuring cup. It's 1 1/4 cup measuring cup. So in the bag, and I can do half of this. Let's go over and put it in the bread. And it's gonna be a minute more. Hands off. Some water. So now let's get a water container. This will be fine. It's 1/4 cup. Let's go here. We've got our food. Ooh, I'm dropping word, water everywhere. So now let's go set you guys up there. Now we're gonna set the food down here. Arch up a little bit. Perfect. Couldn't get it's kind of. Oh, this is water. There we go. Out. It's out. Oops, I'm dropping the water. Break it down, bow. Please. And thanks. So when I figure this out, I'll be back. No clue how I'm getting this water in here. Or food. Alrighty, I figured out the secret. This isn't enough water. We'll be back on that. And slap it back. Not that hard. Now we're gonna go over here to the food. The food is gonna be a little more challenging. not. So I'm gonna set the food there. We're gonna get